First, prepare the syringe pump, tool, three-way valve, screws, syringe, gasket, and tube. Then power on the syringe pump. Initialize the device after power on. Then lower the piston seat to the bottom. First, connect the three-way valve. Connect the valve to this position. Make the end with the liquid hole vertically downward. Remove the three-way valve and connect it to the syringe. There are threaded holes at the bottom of the three-way valve. Connect it to the thread on the top of the syringe. Install the sealing gasket into the connecting hole of the three-way valve. Screw in the syringe and tighten it by 1/4 to 1 second turn when the top of the syringe contacts the valve. After installation, connect the three-way valve to the pump again. Screw in the three-way valve fixing screw. Pay attention to hand tightening to the bottom at this time. Do not tighten it, it only serves as a fixing effect. Lower the syringe push rod to the bottom by hand, pulling into the piston hole. Then initialize it and raise it to the starting end. Tighten the piston fastening screw. Tighten the three-way valve screws. After the screws are fixed, connect tube and three-way valve at the top of the three-way valve. Place the sealing gasket into the interface of the three-way valve. Connect the tube. Connect the tube on the other side. Installation is completed.